how TikTok creators are cashing out daily just by posting funny cat animation videos? These videos are getting millions and thousands of views, and the best part, you too can do it and make thousands of dollars along the way. In these videos, I will show you exactly how these creators are making money, what tools they use, and how you can start creating viral cats animation today. First off, why are these cats animation blowing up? Simple. People love cats and they love creative, funny, and engaging content. When you combine these two, you get viral and worthy video that keep people hooked. These animations shows cats cooking, dancing, playing instruments, and even doing house chores. And TikTok's algorithm loves this kind of content. Now, the question is, how do you create videos like this? And how do you make money creating videos like this? Simple, without wasting your time, join me on my screen as we get started. First thing first, if you already have a perfect prompt in mind, great. You can skip this step. But if you are unsure how to create or generate the right prompt for your cat animation, don't worry. Here is what you need to do. Go straight to TikTok or any of the social media platform where you find this trendy animation and take screenshot of the key scenes. I mean, if for instance, this is the video you want to create, what you need to do is to screenshot each scene of this video. You then head over to ChatGPT. Here is an example of a screenshot that I got from TikTok, as you can see here. Now head over to ChatGPT, click on this plus sign here, and then click on upload from computer if you are using your computer. If you are using your phone, it should direct you to your galleries where you have photos saved or even files, and upload the particular photo that you want to get the prompt for. In this case, let's take this for instance. We want to get prompt for this. And then after uploading the photo, you just need to type create prompt for this image or photo, as simple as that. Then click on the arrow up button and wait. In less than 30 seconds, ChatGPT will give you the prompt for that photo. In this case, here is what ChatGPT gave me. A chubby orange tabby cat dressed as a professional chef, wearing a white chef's hat and a cooking apron with black headphones on its head. The cat has an intense and focused expressions while holding a large kitchen knife, preparing to chop a raw chicken on a wooden cutting board. The kitchen setting is warm and cozy, with various ingredients like chili pepper, herbs, and spices scattered around. The background features wooden shelves, a modern kitchen counter, and cooking utensils, creating a lively and humorous atmosphere. Guys, let's check the photo and see if it aligns with what ChatGPT just gave us. Exactly, guys. This is how you will upload the remaining photos and ask ChatGPT to generate prompts based on the photo. And just like that, ChatGPT will create detailed prompt for you. Now, this is the first step in creating this trendy cat animation video. Okay guys, now that we have our prompts, it's time to generate our images. For this, you can use any of your preferred AI website for your photo creation. First, what you will need to do is just to copy the prompt and then paste it in any of your preferred AI website for photo generation. As you can see here, that's what I did here using ChatGPT to generate images for this video. I just copied the prompt generated by ChatGPT by clicking on this copy here and asked ChatGPT to create image for this. Then I pasted the prompt, as simple as that. That was how I got all the images I used for this video production. But guys, I must be sincere to you, if you are not on a pro on ChatGPT, you'll not be allowed to use it to generate so many images, maybe 2 images per day. But just in case you are wondering how you can get some free AI tools for your image generation, you can make use of Microsoft Copilot, Bing, or designers. This AI website will allow you to generate countless number of images per day without any restriction. Or alternatively, you can head straight to Leonardo AI. This AI website here also allows you to generate images for free, but there's a limitation to how many images you can generate per day. This AI website gives you 150 credits per day, and you'll be having limitations to how many images you can generate per day. Now it's time to bring our static images to life. For animation, you have multiple options including RunwayML, Luma Labs, Minimax or Howto AI, and many more. So you can make use of any of your preferred AI website for this photo animation. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to make use of PIxverse AI. This tool will transform our static images into smooth, realistic animation, making them ready for video production. Sign up for an account if you are new to this AI website and log in already if you have an account. Once you are logged in, an interface like this will be open. As you can see here, this AI website has a lot of amazing features. So we're just going to concentrate on the photo animation. And to do that, we have to click on this box here. Click on it and upload the photo that you want to animate. In this case, let's click on this very particular one here. Once it's open, you can type in a prompt here to guide the image animation. Once you are done with your prompt, just click on create and wait for less than 30 seconds. And here is the result, guys. Check out the amazing results. Here it's possible to add effects to your animations. As you can see here, there are different effects here, but for this photo animation, I don't think it's necessary. Also, transition is possible. If you want to add lip sync, it's very possible. For you to do that, it's just for you to upload this very video here. After downloading the video, you have to upload it here by using this arrow up button here and type in whatever you want to lip sync here, and then you click on create. As simple as that, guys. So this is how you're going to animate these images one after the other. Once your animation is ready, it's time for the final touches. You can make use of any of your preferred editing app. In this case, I make use of CapCut. First, you just need to select the aspect ratio and then click on upload to have all the animated videos imported down here. If you are making use of CapCut, then add each of the video to the timeline according to the scene. Next, you may consider to make use of sound effect. For that, you can click on the audio and then choose any funny one from the sound effects here, or better still, if you have any specific one in mind, you can click on the search button to search for your sound effect. If you are considering to add some funny cat song for the video and you have none in mind, you can go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to create a funny cat song for you. Copy the text from ChatGPT, paste it here, and look for any funny voice that you will use for the text. If you are making use of your phone and you want to transform the text into a song, just click on your text to audio, paste the text. From the suggested categories of voices there, choose meme song, and with one click, transform this text into a funny cat song. And there you go, as simple as that. Your viral cat animation video is ready. Now let's talk about making money. You can monetize your videos by joining the TikTok creator funds, getting sponsorship deals with brands, using affiliate marketing for pet related products. Creators are cashing out daily with thousands of views, and you can too. In all this, you must be patient and consistent. And that's it. Now that you know how exactly to create viral cat animation video that gets millions of views and bring in the real money, so what are you still waiting for? Try Try this out and let me know in the comments how your first video goes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out awesome content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Shalom.